Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are good. You are welcome to my YouTube channel Medical Biochemistry series. Today we are going to discuss about the syllabus for the first year BDS students. Bachelor of Dental Surgery. So here you must know the syllabus which covers for BDS, that will be section first. It includes the chemical constituents of life. So here you must know the chemical constituents, the study of chemical constituents of life. What are those? First one is biomolecules and cell. The study of, under the heading chemical constituents of life, biomolecules and cell. The study of biomolecules like hydrogen, carbon, oxygen and nitrogen. So these are the biomolecules. Moreover, the biomolecules, rather than this, the extras which are present in our body. So here you must know that the study of biomolecules, hydrogen, carbon, oxygen and nitrogen, as well as the study of cell. Under this, the structure of cell you have to see, and you have to learn the cellular components, the different cellular components which are present in the cell, like Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, then the vesicles, vacuoles, and the ribosomes. So these are the cellular components. So you have to study the cellular component as well as the study of cell membrane and transport mechanism. So you have to study under the heading biomolecules and the cell. For cell you have to see the cellular component, study of cell membrane, transport mechanism of the cell. So you must know the study of biomolecules and cell. Second, that the study of carbohydrates, under this you have to see the definition, classification of carbohydrates and the functions of carbohydrates, and you have to see the glucose aminoglycan, that is the polysaccharide, hydropolysaccharide, that you have to see and its functions. So under this carbohydrates you have to study. Then under lipids you have to study the definition, functions of lipids, then the essential fatty acids and the lipoproteins, study of lipoproteins, and different types of lipoproteins are there, like chylomicron, LDL, VLDL and HDL. So that are the study, that is a study of lipoprotein. And fourth one is proteins. Under this heading, proteins, you have to study the definition of protein, significance of the proteins, and then the classification of proteins, and what are the importance of proteins in our body. Then under this heading proteins, you have to see all these things. Then fifth one is the fifth one is enzymes. Study of enzymes, definition of enzyme, classification of enzyme, diagnostic importance of enzymes, the enzymes which are present in the, which are seen in increased amount in the diseases. So here you have to study all these things and the factors which affect the enzymatic activity. Then you have to learn about the vitamins. You have to learn about the vitamins. So here you must know that you have to know these are the nutrients which are present along with the chief constituents. These are the chief constituents in our body: carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins. Along with this, the vitamins are also present, and these vitamins are water soluble vitamin, fat soluble vitamin. You have to see the sources, RDA, that is required daily allowances, and the biomedical functions of different vitamins. Then these are the headings under chemical constituents of life. Then the section 2 will see section 2 belongs to metabolism. Section 2 belongs to the physiological biochemistry. Physiological biochemistry. Under this heading, you have to study the digestion and absorption process. Under the section 2nd, physiological biochemistry, digestion and absorption. Second one is plasma proteins. Third one is hemoglobin and porphyrins. Then fourth one is biological oxidation. Here these are the chapters which are covered under the heading physiological biochemistry. Digestion and absorption of the constituents. Then plasma proteins. What are different plasma proteins which are present in the body? Albumin, globulin. Okay, so these are the plasma proteins. Then hemoglobin, the study of hemoglobin and different porphyrins. We have to learn under the heading physiological biochemistry. Then biological oxidation, which is also known as respiratory chain. It is also called as respiratory. Process. Okay, so what changes takes place when we inhale the air and exhale the air? So here it is a respiratory process, biological oxidation. So under the heading physiological biochemistry, we have to see all these things. Then we have to learn all these things. Then under the heading section 3, that will be metabolism. Metabolism. So this is a very important topic which covers all the types of cycles. Different cycles are there. So here metabolism, under this heading we have to learn introduction to metabolism. Means that metabolism is the process when we intake the food in the body, then the metabolism starts from the mouth. So here you must know the gastrointestinal tract which carry out the metabolism. Generally the digestion starts from mouth, stomach, then intestine, and in the intestine the full metabolism takes place here of the constituents. So here you must know introduction of metabolism. Second one is metabolism of carbohydrates. Under this heading you have to study different cycles like glycolysis, glycogenesis, glycogenolysis, gluconeogenesis. So these are the cycles which runs in the body and they are carried out by the liver. So you must know that the metabolism of carbohydrate, the third metabolism of lipids, how the lipids are converted. Acetyl CoA is converted to later acetyl CoA also, as well as alkyl CoA. So you must know that the metabolism of lipid. Then the fourth one is metabolism of proteins, amino acids. So here you have to see the different cycles. First of all, the catabolism of amino acids, then importance of amino acids in the body, importance of protein in our body. Then we have to see the urea cycle. It is one of the important metabolic activity which takes place in the body. So these are the headings under the metabolism. Then we have to see the integration of metabolism. Integration of metabolism. Then we have to see the metabolism of nucleotides. Metabolism of nucleotides. Metabolism of nucleotides. And you must know the another one is metabolism of minerals. So under the heading in the section first you have to study nucleic acid, also the study of the biomolecules. So you have to study the nucleic acid also. So here the metabolism of mineral will be there under the headings section 3, introduction to metabolism, metabolism of carbohydrate, metabolism of lipid, metabolism of protein and amino acid, integration of metabolism, then metabolism of nucleotides, metabolism of minerals. So these are under the section 3. Now we'll see under the section 4. Under section 4 we have to see that the study of hormones. Number 1, study of hormones. here we have to see the study of hormone. Then the organ function tastes, different organs and their function. First of all, I will mention here kidney function taste, liver function taste, thyroid function taste. So these are the kidney function tastes, liver function taste, and thyroid function taste. So these are all organ function tests which we have to learn under the heading organ function test. Then we have to see the water, electrolytes and acid base balance. Here the study of water is very important because this is the solvent which are very useful for metabolic purpose also. So here different electrolyte like sodium, potassium, magnesium, calcium, iron, iodine, all the electrolytes which are present in our body. So they study of these electrolytes will be there. Then acid base balance. So here the study of iron and cations will be there in our body. Then we have to see further the tissue proteins and their fluids and the fluids, tissue proteins and the fluids. The study of fluids will be there. Different types of fluids are there. You must know that fluid, blood, study of blood, then cerebrospinal fluid, amniotic fluid. These are the study of tissue proteins and the fluids. Then we have to study nutrition. Under this heading, the very important diseases, protein, energy diseases we have to study like marasmus and kwashiorkor. These are the protein deficiency diseases because the proteins are lacking in the body, therefore it leads to marasmus and kwashiorkor in the children. So you must know these are protein energy diseases. Protein energy diseases. So these are the important diseases which we have to study under the heading nutrition. So friends, this is the syllabus for first BDS, and you have to take care about under which chapter we have to study what. The analysis of the chapter is important. So you must know this is the analysis for the section 4, study of hormones, organ function test, water electrolyte, acid base balance, tissue proteins and the fluids and nutrition. So friends, if you like my lecture, share it and subscribe it. Thank you very much. Have a good day.